champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions. Stand up, for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions. Stand up.
Guys, welcome to our maths lesson. Today we'll complete lesson 19 of your grade 3 module 1 workbook. You will learn how to apply the distributive property to decompose units. I want you to first skip count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. Just skip count by 5 like that and get familiar with them. You've learned how to skip count by 4s and also by 3. Do not forget, they are very important in our lesson for today. Also skip counting by 6. 6, add another 6. 12s, add another 6. 18. That's how to also skip count by 6. Let us answer these questions. This is commutative multiplying. Now say the multiplication sentence, then flip it. 3 times 2 equals 6. What is the other way of saying 3 times 2 equals 6? 2 times 3 equals 6. Alright, so these ones I want to show you. I'll just flip it and see the total. 5 times 2 equals 2 times 5, which equals 10. 5 times 3 is the same as 3 times 5, equals 15. 3 times 4 is the same as 4 times 3, equals 12. What is this one? 8 times 2, 16. 3 times 7 is the same as 7 times 3, equals 21. 7 times 4 is the same as 4 times 7, equals 28. Now let us decompose and multiply. 7 fours is the same as 5 fours, and how many fours? And 2 fours, because 5 plus 2 equals 7. So 7 fours is the same as 5 fours plus 2 fours, which is the same as 20 plus 8 equals 28. I'll solve that one for you. 8 times 3 is the same as 3 times 8, which equals 24. Good job. Now here's another decomposition to mark. 8 threes is the same as 5 threes plus 3 threes. 5 threes is 15. 3 threes is 9. So 15 plus 9 equals 24. 9 times 2 is the same as 2 times 9 equals 18. Now decompose this one. What do you get as your answer? You see 9 twos equals 5 twos. Plus how many twos? 4 twos, you're correct. And 4 twos is 8, which is 18. 6 times 4 is the same as 4 times 6 equals 24. So decompose 6 fours. 6 fours equals 5 fours plus 1 4. 5 fours is 20 plus 1 4, which is 4, equals 24. Can you compose an array for what you're saying right now? 5 times 3 plus 2 times 3 in brackets. In the blank, fill in the blank to write a true multiplication sentence on your personal whiteboard. This is the same as 7 times 3, which is 21. 15 plus 6. Here's another one. 5 times 2 in bracket plus 3 times 2 equals 16. Because that is the same as 8 times 2. This is the same as 9 times 4, 36. Here's an application problem. Henrietta works in a shoe store. She uses 2 shoelaces to lace each pair of shoes. She has a total of 24 laces. How many pairs of shoes can Henrietta lace? This is what we know. She has a total of 24 laces. And she uses 2 laces for a pair of shoes. 2 laces for a pair of shoes. To know how many shoes she can lace with 24 laces, divide 24 by 2. 24 divided by 2 equals 12. That's simple, isn't it? Let us use the array to help us solve the division problem. You see the array? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 rows of 2. There are 24 dots in all. As you can see in that array. If you break it up so that you have 20 by 2, which is 10, plus 2 pairs, 2 rows of 2, which is 4, divided by 2, you have 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Can you write the division equation to represent the part of the array above the line and the part of the array below the line? I just explained it, and you can do it. That's it. 20 divided by 2 equals 10, and 4 divided by 2 equals 2. If you fill in the blanks, you're going to have 24 divided by 2 equals 12. Now let's change the equation. Let's say it's 26 divided by 2. The same thing. We know the first part, the 20, 10 rows of 2. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. Now this is 3 rows of 2, which is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And this is divided by 2 is 10 plus 3, which is 13. That is it. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. What are we focused on when we break apart to divide? We are looking for the quotient, isn't it? Making it easy for us to add. Now let's break up 27 to 15 and another number. So 15 plus what will give us 27. Solve that. 15. If you add another 12, you're surely going to have 27. 27 divided by 3 is the array you're saying. Box the part of your array that shows a total of 15. That's my own. Can you write an equation for the boxed portion to the right of the array? 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Now box the part of the array that shows a total of 12. That's it. Write an equation to represent that part. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So 27 divided by 3 equals 5 plus 4, which is 9. Very simple, is it not? Alright, complete your lesson 19 problem set. Lessons 18 and 19 problem set. Basically the same thing, more activities for you to understand these 2 lessons. See you in our next class. Bye.